Today, we are going to build a cumulative frequency graph in Excel from scratch. I'll also show you a pro tip on how to duplicate your work so you can create individualized charts for different datasets in seconds. So let's dive in. First, you need to open Excel and create a blank spreadsheet. From there, in column A, you will put your date or a different category, whatever it is that you need to represent on your x-axis. In column B will be your value, which could be frequency, duration. Again, this is just the data set that you want to represent on your y-axis. And then C would be your cumulative total of those values. From there, you hit enter. It brings you down to cell C2. From there, you hit equals B2. Hit enter, then you hit equals C2 plus B3. And that's where our cumulative total begins. From there, you highlight cell C3 again, and then move your cursor to the bottom right until it changes, and then you drag it down all the way to the data sets that you'd like to see. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to do my data set within weeks. So 3/6/2026. Next week is 3/13/2026. Oop, wrong column, guys. 3/13/2026. I'm gonna highlight those two cells and then drag it down again, and it will update my weeks for me. So from there, you select column A, hit the control button on your computer, select column C, and then you go to insert. You can hit recommended charts. Then you can select all charts, line with markers, and select OK. From here, you have your graph, and then you can start putting your data in. And as you see, as you add data points, your cumulative graph updates. And then if you run out of dates from what you made here, all you have to do is hit the spread it down like this. Same with this. It's going to do the same thing, and it'll give you your data sets. You can also add different things to your graph to better identify what's going on. So you hit chart design, add chart element. So for this, we're going to do the y-axis, which will give us the numbers. So we can kind of see, okay, we're between 50 and 60, about 55. And then we can do our titles. So there we would put date. On the y-axis, I'm going to put numbers learned, or words learned. And I'm going to change the title to Cumulative Total of Sight Words Learned. So this gives the person looking at the graph a better idea of what it is that we're looking at. Now, instead of having to go through this process every time, what you can do to duplicate it is you go down to the tab where it says Sheet 1, you right-click, and you move or copy. So, to do that, you can create a copy, select that button here, and move to in. Hit OK. And now you have a new sheet with the cumulative total, and you can just delete your values, clear contents, and start over. You can change whatever the cumulative total that you're looking at, but now you have a new cumulative total for a different data set, a different learner, however it is that you want to use this data sheet without having to go through the whole step-by-step process again. Thank you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.